Welcome to the post-game press conference. PNP bounces back to take their third win in this best-of-7 series. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Calvin Ofutaro. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, playing Game 3 was a big adjustment for PNP without Jason, and today we also saw RJ playing much of the point guard, deferring also the offense and the locals. In what ways did you see this team rise above others who can step up and be able to take this game home?
Our pre-game was very simple. I just challenged the players to be better. I just told them, be better screeners, better passers, better defenders. Just make sure that you are better today, and then whatever happens, come on May, we're fine with it. But we just wanted to make sure that we play better today and put in better effort. So I think the players responded very well. There were some great hustle plays on our end, and I think in the end that was the difference.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, Calvin and RHJ, your top scorer, was deferring the shots to the locals. Anong nakatulong sa pagsiguro na tuloy-tuloy lang ang puntos?
Yun nga, thank you Lord for this win. Talagang yung sinabi ni Coach sa amin, yung sinulat niya sa board, yung mission namin, being better sa lahat ng aspects, better screeners, better energy, yung pinapakita namin din sa loob. Gusto lang namin i-prove sa sarili namin na kaya naman pala namin mag-ganun. Kulang lang kami sa effort. The past 3 games, I think, the past 3 games, right now, nakikita naman ng lahat na nandun yung effort ng lahat. Tsaka malaking bagay din kasi kung nawala si Kuya Jason. Kaya itong mga remaining games namin, talagang in-offer namin sa kanya. Big factor si Kuya Jason sa amin, pero yun nga, it's not one person na mag-fill up sa shoes ni Kuya Jason. It should be us as a team.
Thank you, Calvin, and we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
So, congratulations. Besides sa absence ni Jason Pastor, you also get nangyari kay Paul and Neto. How did you guys address during the break?
We didn't. Ganun yung team namin eh. Malamang palagi na nakakabay sa team namin, hindi lang sila. So for us, it's just a matter of passion. Yes, we also talk about being able to control and regulate our emotions. But we did not even talk about it. We didn't even talk about it after the game. After the game, nagbibiro na yung laro, nag-holding hands na silang dalawa. So it was no big deal. It was just in the heat of the passion. Oh, holding hands. So we did not even talk about it in practice.
Alvin, ano sa inyong mga Bisaya, experto sa Paul? Sa'yo, paano nangyari yun? Paano nakapag-usapan na
Yung kinaglen tsaka point. I think as a player, normal yung frustration eh. Siyempre sa mga ganong laban, dikdikan, lalabas talaga yung ugali na gusto mong manalo. Pero parang sumabog lang si Poy sa mga tawag, siguro sa mga tawag. Pero kaya sinabi ko sa kanila ngayon, hayaan na natin sila coach mag-handle sa mga referee. Maglaro lang kami. Tsaka pinakita naman talaga ni Poy ngayon eh. May mga times na nagreklamo siya pero talagang parang hindi kaya ng sarili niya na maglaro na lang.
Hindi kaya.
These past few games were Jason was currently out. This over. We have an update about it. Will he get his surgery anytime soon?
It's done. The surgery is done already 2 days ago. So he's just now going to go through the long process of recovery and rehab. So it's going to take at least a year. So next year na natin makikita si Jason.
Does he really talk into the league after?
We sent messages, pero I think his number on our jersey is statement enough.
What's for Ibero? Just recording about the guys in defense.
Well, there's no secret about how well he's been playing the first 3 games. So we really focused and made it a point to defend him. And like I said, Thompson will get his points, but we should be able to control the others.
Coach, given your assist after game 2 na seems like even if you're ahead na parang hindi na ahead sa pilit ng dalawa, how will that go coming to game 5 with the chance to close this out?
What's that? Again, coming to game 5.
Hindi ko malaban ako kung that
We talk about it and we know that it's going to be a very difficult series for us. But like I said, we're very grateful to be in this position. We're grateful that we get to do this. So we chose this. Pinili namin pumasok sa semis and to compete. This is part of the league.
Mas games mo hindi gano'n maganda yung shooting mo. Nasa isip mo ba yun? Kung nasa isip mo ngayon na makabawi yung sa game mo?
Inanapan ako ni Coach eh. Inanapan ako. So, pero hindi ko naman inisip yun eh. Yung contribution ko sa team is malaking bagay din para manalo kami dalawa na ngayon si Kuya Jason. Pero it's not just about me naman eh. Yung mga effort naman na kasama ko, intangibles like si Kim, more on sa depensa, si Kuya Kelly, yung leadership niya sa loob, presensya niya sa pagbantay kay Gion. Yun yung mga bagay na talagang malaking bagay sa pagpanalo namin. Pumatalo pa kami, mga adjustment lang naman. Okay.
And that's all for those here. That's one for and
Thank you.
congratulations once again to you.
You say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.